hello. Today your man Jerry visited Dubai Green Planet to see some animals, birds. Let's explore. I keep walking there. Okay. Jerry, where are you? I have no idea. I just entered. It's like a forest full of fish. I forgot to tell you guys, I had to buy this band sticker to wear on my wrist, which will give me option for fish feeding. The extra 20 dirhams I had to pay for this. Okay, what is up? Oh, it's water flowing from the sky, not the sky, from above. Let's go in. Just wondering where is water coming from. Okay. Where is next? I have to go up? Okay.
I have fish feeding or but
Fish feeding also.
so fish feeding will be at level 1.
Level 1? I have to go level 1 how?
Now once you're done with the tour,
I can...
we pass by level 1,
Okay.
they'll give you the food.
Okay.
Then I'll go to level 4, then walk all the way down.
So first I go to level 4 and come back to level 1.
From level 4 there's a ramp we follow coming down. Yeah?
Okay.
Yes.
So where I go now? Up?
Level 4, level 4.
Okay. Okay. Level 4. Take a lift to level 4, starting your journey. Keep your face mask on.
وأن تطبقوا قواعد التباعد الاجتماعي طوال الوقت. كما نود أن نذكركم بعدم ملامسة أو ملاعبة أو إدخال أي حيوان خلال الزيارة لضمان سلامتكم وسلامتهم. شكرا لكم ونتمنى لكم أطيب الأوقات خلال زيارتكم. Welcome to the Green Planet, Dubai's only rainforest. Please remember to keep your face mask on throughout.
Okay. I'm at level 4. Don't know where to go, but I'm going. No idea where do I go now. Okay, let's keep walking. They said specifically, do not touch.
He's looking at it.
That bird is still not moving, only shaking the head. What did you say? It said something, right? Whack? Did you say whack? Move on. Oh, another friend. Hello there. Lots of birds. Okay. Water flowing from above. Oh, look at this creature. A big parrot. Beautiful parrot. Pink and white. Hello there. I hope it will not attack me. Hope you will not attack me. Oh, you have food over there. What a paradise this is. A beautiful parrot. No, it will not attack me. Okay, let's move on. Oh, Look at this tree. A lot of birds screaming. Where else to go here? Hey, you're still here? You're still here? Oh. Oh no. Oh, there are giant birds. Let's go and explore there. Oh, look at this. With a big peak. Hello. This is a view from above. People are exploring. Birds. My God. It's beautiful. What do you call this? They are giant. They are giant. Very big. This parrot is very big. I don't know, they're parrots, so what kind of bird it is. They're beautiful, at the same time very big. I'm a little bit scared to go close. I don't know if they will attack me or not. Let's go. This creature is very big. I'm a little bit scared to go close. Oh my God. Stop screaming. Bloody hell, you're screaming. Oh my God. I'm afraid to go close. Oh. These birds are flying here and there. I don't want this video to get boring. I'll try to explore much birds as possible. So where are we going now? Oh, this man is holding a snake, reptile. I'm really afraid of this. I'm really scared to go close. But I'll get a shot for you guys to see. Oh. I can't do that. Your man is not that brave enough to do that. Who is screaming?
Black and white.
Frog? A tiny frog. What is that to say? How do we go down? Oh, from here. Oh my God, look at this. I hope they will not attack. Nothing much. Hey, how are you? Look at this one. Oh, another one. Oh, there. Oh, there's a giant animal. I don't know what is it called.
वो देखिए इसके में से सिर पे निकल रहे हैं बच्चों को देखो सिर पे निकल रहे हैं ये भी तो देखो ये पैंडा जैसा है क्लॉथ जो बोल रहे थे वही लग रहा है ये निकलो वही देखो ये
Comment below, what do you call this animal? Oh, it's here. Binturong. Oh, bear cat. Bear cat. Is that it? Huh. It's not even facing people. Nice breeze, huh? With the water. There's water on the lens. Let me clean. Good now. What's going on here? हमसे छोटा है आप इतने बड़े हैं और क्या अब दिल बड़ा को What about this one?
This is a snail. African giant snail.
ठीक है और
Leech.
स्नेल स्नेल
Leech होती है वो?
नहीं स्नेल का where is the snail
Scary and interesting at the same time. Interesting. A beautiful parrot. Look at this. So beautiful. My God, I thought he's gonna attack me. I literally thought it's gonna attack me. It moved to here. Stop screaming. Okay, let's see. What more is there to explore? We gotta go down. Oh, what's inside? No creature inside. What's in here? Kapok tree. That's a tree. No creature. Oh, look at this bird. I don't want them to attack me. Oh, rabbit. It's a rabbit. I don't want to disturb rabbit. It's eating. Oh, there's this creature. Is it here? Only birds. Okay. Let's keep on exploring. Who is here? For your safety and their safety, do not touch the animals. Okay. Where are they? But I do not see any animal here. It stinks. Oh my God, I don't want to see reptiles. They're dangerous creatures. Where are they? Oh, look at this. What do you call this? Chameleons? Or a baby iguana or whatever. Oh, not even moving. I hope I will not encounter any dangerous creature. Oh my god. Look at this bird. I don't want any creature to attack me. Oh my god. Bearded dragon. They don't even move. Oh, look who is before me. Oh, go away. Go away, creature. They don't attack, right?
Yeah?
They don't attack, right?
Yeah, they don't.
I'm really scared to go near.
Okay.
Hey,
So let's,
where do I get to?
I was looking at it actually.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Where is that? Here or?
yeah, it's with me. Let me
Oh, it
direct
is.
this one. Just a
Okay.
minute.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
I'm about to feed the fish now. That's why I paid extra 10 dirhams
Cannot go
and got this band, orange color brand, to be able to feed the fish.
We have more animals down. Where? And the lower level, but because corona, cannot go through the escalator you use lift.
He said, wait a minute, and he's gonna let us feed the fish. Maybe here or somewhere else. But I see fish here. Let's see.
Button will be.
Now, come with me.
Okay. Ah, you're gonna give me food. Oh, this is the food.
Yes.
Ah, chickpeas. You're gonna feed them chickpeas.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, I'll show you the like.
You're gonna show me the art of fishing.
Okay.
Okay.
First, I'll have to mark that you are here.
Did I say fishing? Feeding.
I need to write F that you came, so that
F. Okay.
you don't return then
What does it mean by it?
feed it.
Feed it. Oh, I saw something else.
Okay. Now you stand here.
Okay.
Now with me.
Okay.
I prefer. I throw it like this. One. This is
Okay.
your cup, by the way.
Okay.
You see, look. That's one. I throw. Oh yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. Now you.
So I'm gonna feed this. So you hold it. I'm gonna put one by one.
Okay.
Okay. Let me take one. I'm gonna feed the fish now.
We have more animals.
Let me do that thing.
Different protection.
Oh, they're eating it. Let me take. Oh, they're eating. Okay, I'll feed.
Right.
Carry on with your work. Okay, I'm gonna feed. I cannot use both hands, so I'm gonna hold this camera on my left hand. I'm gonna feed like this. Okay. Oh, they're eating it. They're really eating. Okay. Eat. For 10 dirhams, I got this cup. Oh, they're really enjoying my food. Chickpeas feeding to fish. They aren't really excited, but let's finish feeding this. Cup is over. I'm done.
Like this with the camera. Yes, it's not.
Okay. What's next?
Then now you go to the creatures of the night.
Okay.
Let's go straight.
Okay.
Take escalator down, then stairs down to the creatures of the night.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Let's go. Let's see what's next. What did he say? I don't even remember. Okay. Oh, escalator. Oh, there's nothing much to see here, but I really enjoyed looking at birds. Oh, they sell this stuff in the end. Good for babies, good for children and girls. For a man like me, no, I'm not into this. Okay, people are leaving. There's more down? Okay, I thought it's finished. Okay. She said there's more to explore down. Let's go. Creatures of the night. Okay. Creatures of the night. Let's see what are the creatures of the night. Okay. Oh, night weave. I don't think you guys can see them. Let's give it a try. Oh. Green planet. Creatures of the night. What's in there? What's in here? Oh, fully red. It's not smelling good. It stinks. Anyway, then, oh my goodness, this, look at this cobra. It's a giant cobra. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh my god. Oh. What are they called? Wallaby zone. This stinks so bad. They really stink so bad. Cane toad. Who is that? I don't see any. I don't see any. Oh, look at this cobra.
6 months later, and as a result of this fact,
They don't move at all.
human sonar is found at located.
What else? Oh, again a shop to buy the night sound, the frog sound. What else? To go there? What's here? See you soon. I think this is the end. Oh, this is the end. Way out. Yeah, gotta go. Way out. Where's the way out? Where's the way out? Way out.
Way out here.
Again here. I came from here, I think. Ah, okay. Okay. Creatures of the night. Over. Now I'm leaving. Oh. The man is leaving. Nothing much. Let's go. Where? Where's the exit? What the hell is the exit? Yeah, this one. Okay. I'm kind of hungry now. Let's grab something to eat. See you when I'm having food. Okay. I ordered my food at this Green Planet. There's nothing much to see, but I really enjoyed spending time with birds and saw some animals, creatures that I've never seen in my life. Oh, some of the footage can be very dark, but it was dark. Okay, I ordered some Italian pasta and a smoothie. Prior the food arrives, I have my Diet Coke. Let's wait for the food. See you when the food is arrived. I got my, what do you call this? Let me go to the bill. It's called pasta bolognese, an Italian cuisine, and this drink is called Tucano Lado, which comprises with banana, pineapple, and coconut. Must be very delicious. Let me taste. Oh wow! It's very thick and sour at the same time. Let me dig into, what is it called again? Sorry, pardon me. Pasta bolognese. Okay. A lot of sauce. So nice. With garlic bread. To be honest, I did not enjoy much inside the Green Planet. They are just birds and some reptiles not even moving, some creatures that I have never seen in my entire life. But I got to enjoy the food and the drink. Good advice. Treat yourself before you treat others. Pasta. See you when I'm leaving. Okay, your man done with the food. Now, your man is leaving. Okay, done with Green Planet. Leaving. Where the taxis, baby? Buses and taxis over there. Okay. This is the boat. The Green Planet, Dubai. Let's wait for the taxi. Go to the metro station and go home. Did you see me? Oh. Okay, I'll get the taxi and see you in the taxi. Okay, that's it from Dubai Green Planet. I'm leaving now, waiting for a taxi. Doesn't seem to be any taxi coming right now. I'll wait some time. Okay, see you in the next video. Ciao and God bless you from Dubai Green Planet. You think I said bye? I'm still waiting for a taxi. Let's see, at least this taxi will stop. Okay, can you please stop? Yes, please. Okay, please drop me near the nearest metro station. What is nearest? The Dubai Mall one, right?
Yes.
Okay. I've been waiting here a long time. No taxis. You're the first one stopped.
Actually, I switched off my Careem device.
Actually, do I have to download Careem app?
Yes, but this time you cannot find on Careem also.
Oh, it's a very critical time to
Yes,
if I
this
get a
time
taxi, right?
shift changing time like this from 3:30 to 5:30, 2 hours.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, I just arrived at Dubai Mall metro station. What you just saw was the address hotel in Sheikh Zayed Road, connected with Dubai Mall. Two trains, Ilal Kitara in Arabic. You know, these things in my mind now. I know how to say doors opening, doors closing. Al-Abwab Tuhta, Al-Abwab Tuhla. Funny at sometimes when I'm saying that. Okay, I'm in Dubai Mall metro station, going home. Bye bye. This time I'm really gonna sign off on the video. Two trains. Bye bye from Dubai Mall metro station at Sheikh Zayed Road. Ciao.